So hello guys, this is Divy Shah and welcome to yet another video of No More. So guys, today I am showing the 10 free courses of Udemy that's very benefits for you guys, and some bonus tips about the Coursera. So let's get started. So guys, I make some summary of the among the 10 course and some basic tips of the Coursera. So first course is the PyMO bootcamp of the Python optimization for beginners. So if you want to learn some PyMO modes and Python, some basic skills of installation and how to run the Python and PyMO installation, so this is for you. It's a bestseller course, as you can see, last updated on November, and English is a language for this course. So simply here you can find the enroll button. Actually I already enrolled, so you can find here enroll. It's a free, and I will give a coupon in the description box. So if you don't get the coupon here, so you can copy from the description, and if you get a certification of completion after complete the course. So second one is create your own GUI Music Player using the Pygame and Tincter. So it's a new course and published on the December, and language is English, as you can see here, and certification here also applicable if you complete the whole course. So if you want to make some GUI Music Player, your own music player using Python and Tincter and Pygame, so you can learn this from here. It's a free totally. Actually I am some already enrolled in some courses, so that's a button not showing here. So promo code is also in the description box. If you can't find here, you can just go there and copy this in this. So next one is BIDEX. So if many of you want to learn Power BI, then go through this course. It's updated on the May, and language is English. So certification is also here applicable. So here you can find some Power BI and Excel and some DEX and practice of that. So simply go to enroll this course and just learn here. And if you want to give this course to someone, you can also do that, but it's a free, so refer them to go through this. So next one is motion graphics. So many of you want to do some freelancing and some kind of earning money using the editing and some animation. So you can go through this course. It's a 3D animation, After Effects. So it's a After Effects course. So you can learn here Adobe After Effects and make some animations and motion graphics. And the certification is also among the all courses. Certification is also available. So it's updated course in the December 2020, and language is English. So you can simply enroll this course from here, and the coupon code is in the description box, so check it out if you can't find here the coupon. So next one is the Bootstrap. So guys, if you want to learn the Bootstrap, and so how to make the responsive web pages and how to add some animations in the pages and some guard systems, typography, tables, button, badges, progress bar, Bootstrap panels, layout, styling images, and so many things like CSS, HTML. So Bootstrap, so it's free for beginners. If you are beginners in the Bootstrap, so simply enroll this course. See here you can find the coupon code already applicable among the all courses. So if you can't find here that, So simply go through the description box and copy that code here and enroll this course for free. So enroll now. So as you can see, I am in the course now. So next is the Python programming. So if you are a beginner in the Python programming and learn to from the beginning, so Python programming tutorial for the absolute beginner plus code. So here they will learn you how to program in the Python and some customized codes. Also they give Python 3 professionally, and here is the course, 11 articles, 2 practice tests, 2 coding exercise, full lifetime access and certification of completion, and Merry Christmas is a code. So and simply enroll and you are in the course, guys. So all courses are good, and if you want to really learn, see, this is hot and new, last updated on December, language is English. So here is the Kanban software for development terms, development tips. So Kanban principles and daily stand-up in the Kanban, specifying rules in Kanban, so definition of done in Kanban. So if you want to learn some project management, and the Kanban is the not software but lifetime methodology, it's a methodology of the management. So if you want to learn some management regarding, so here is the course. So simply enroll, and if you can't find the coupon, so just go through the description box and copy from there. After that, the Wix web designing. If you guys don't know what is Wix, then Wix is a web designing site. So here you can get some free learning regarding Wix. See here, not applying the coupon code, so it's a 455. So I just apply coupon code, and free Wix it's a coupon. So simply apply this like that. So guys, as you can see, our coupon code is not working properly, so it's some glitch. I will update this coupon code in the description box, so check it out there and simply enroll this course. So our next course is the AWS Solution Architect Associate. So if you want to guys learn AWS, as I upload the previous video regarding AWS S3 bucket, so if you want to learn more VPC and database management and some more AWS solutions, so simply just go through this course. So it's already applied the coupon code, simply go and enroll. So guys, as you can see, some coupons can't work properly. So if you guys want to really learn this course, so just go simply as fast as you can, because the discount is not valid for the last long. So last update, as you can see, the cyber security and ethical hacking. So many of you guys want to learn the cyber security, ethical hacking. I know many guys have the knowledge regarding that also. So it's a course for beginners, I think. So what is cyber security, 3 reasons why cyber security is important, what is hacking, who is hacker, types of hacker, all things are here. So it's a basic knowledge regarding the cyber security and some tips and tricks. So created by Cyber Lab. So coupon code already applied and certification is also available. So simply enroll this course. Actually I enroll all course because it's a lifetime access. So if I change my mind after some time want to learn this course, so it's available for that. So finally guys, some bonus tip regarding the Coursera. So here is the Coursera site. So it's official site of coursera.org. So guys, if you have student ID like @__.hu.in or .edu.in, like that, a professional mail ID or university mail ID, so simply you can access whole Coursera site completely free. So guys, if you have some college ID, university ID, so you can learn from the Coursera completely free and get certification of completion that course. So this this program is end in October, so they simply added some time limit. So guys, all links of the whole course is in the description box, so kindly check it out and go through the as fast as you can and learn some more. And so guys, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you haven't already, so just comment how is our video and what should I have to improve. So that's all for today guys. This is Divy Shah signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe.